I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to transfer your balance from an old SIM on 3UK, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your balance. Before you start the transfer process, make sure you know the balance on your old SIM. You can do this by dialing a specific code or checking your account online. Step 2. Insert the new SIM. Take your new SIM card and insert it into your phone. Make sure your phone is turned off before you do this to avoid any issues. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call 3's customer service using the number provided on their website. Explain that you want to transfer your balance from your old SIM to your new one. Step 4. Provide necessary information. Be ready to provide your old SIM number and any other details they might ask for, such as your account information. This helps verify your identity and process the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once the customer service representative confirms the transfer, check your new SIM to ensure the balance has been successfully moved. You might need to restart your phone for the changes to take effect. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again. They are usually very helpful. Good luck with your balance transfer.